Coming up, what he got to say, y'all?
Check the channel.
But he biggest supporter, man. Y'all make sure y'all check the channel. We got the biggest supporter right now. Hey. Yeah, I would be doing like food vlogs as well.
Yeah, a lot of food vlogs for sure.
Okay, so I'm gonna give y'all the view of this.
Perfect, that's your room right there.
Where? I want down here. I want at the bottom. Wow. Look at that, the whole name on the side of the ship. This is gonna be crazy, y'all.
But we're in the back. We're on the back.
This is actually the boat. We getting ready to load up, get on the boat right now.
That is gonna be me. I'm gonna be all by myself. I'm gonna have to serve.
I'm gonna be asking you. You gotta do what you gotta do. I mean, some stuff.
They adding. Yeah.
My children, we can go.
I mean, y'all want to take one as a group.
Yeah, we can. Yeah.
Let's go the backdrops too.
Yeah, we gotta do one.
Oh yeah.
Big Shaq, how you feel, man?
Oh, terrible. Because you're on the cruise.
A different background.
Next, where?
But look at the boats though, man. Look at the water. This is be crazy, bro.
I'm just happy we're not at the top all day at the time.
I would want to be all the way at the top.
Now I can finally go ahead.
He's getting closer.
You just make sure that none of the decoration is still there.
Look how tall. We're all here. Titanic, wow.
Hello. Welcome. Do not forget to visit our master station.
Mine is B3. Okay.
Sorry, where are you
You gotta go with Jane.
B3 straight ahead.
Straight ahead. Where are y'all going? Y'all are right here.
Hello. That will be at deck 7, but it will open at
Finally, we in here.
Unfortunately, I got So we're in F1.
Okay, F1. So, finally on the boat. And we're just gonna do our check-in process. You know, luggage should be on the way. Get a view of everything. I will be doing like food vlogs as well.
Yeah, a lot of food vlogs for sure.
Don't mind her. She, yeah. So, we're gonna get this check-in process going right, and I'll be back at y'all. Coming up, what he got to say, y'all?
Check the channel.
But he's the biggest supporter, man. Y'all make sure y'all check the channel. We got the biggest supporter right now. Alright, so we're trying to figure out what we got to do right now. Hey. Right now, I really just want to find something to eat. But I just want to get y'all like a view of everything that's going on. Like, this is crazy. The lady here got in my video. She turned around and lost my video. Right here. Sorry, man. Excuse me. I'll be back. Yeah. I'm gonna definitely be back. Gotta get some of that car. Record that car.
He's trying to open our wine, y'all.
I'm trying to open my wine. I really want to get something to eat. Like, look. Hey, that was her second time too. She did it. Yeah, that was her second time. Woo. Specialty dining. Specialty dining for you as well. Specialty dining for you as well. all in the video. Like, it's crazy,
Yes,
man.
you trying to turn.
Already trying to turn up. Well, yeah, this is already turning out to be cool. So if y'all haven't already, hit that like, comment, subscribe button, turn on our notifications so y'all be able to get this video. Because like I said, it'll be about 5 videos. Oh yeah, this is one of these bars we probably, I'm pretty sure gonna have it.
Oh yeah, this could be.
I can't wait.
No.
I can't wait. Woo, shout it, calm down, shout it.
Okay.
Oh no, I might end up giving me one of those right there.
But you just said you didn't want
Yeah, I know, but they look good though. So we're gonna start off with these right here right now, just until we get to the room. I was looking at their hot dogs and I was like, man, I gotta try it. So that's what I'm gonna do now. Thank you, thank you. So yeah.
I'm at least trying to make sure we like all we're good.
Just got a regular hot dog. We're gonna try this.
We're gonna do your mustard.
Alright, so we're gonna come back out this right here.
Y'all are 12. We're 14, 7, 1, 8,
716.
Let Daddy. Oh, it is going this way. Wow. Oh, you did say. Oh, because we're right here.
Oh, our luggage. Close together.
We're swimming pool water now.
Did we pass it? No, we're here.
Okay, they ain't got towers. They on the way.
See that thing?
Let me see the room number. 716. Yeah. Yay!
Oh,
This is a room. Look at the view. Oh, it's gonna be crazy.
They gotta
Yeah.
separate their beds.
Yeah, this would be crazy, y'all. 5
You gotta
days.
remember what they said about lockdowns.
5 days, y'all. Feel the heat.
Oh no.
Going out there. Wow.
Oh hell. Oh wow, man.
Look at the water. This video be crazy. We ain't even left. Yeah, we ain't even left yet, y'all. And she already.
Oh hell.
Oh my God. Oh my God. Chilling. Yeah. Nope. She don't want to run this over. But look out here. Like, we haven't left yet. I guess they getting everything together. But man, first time ever. Oh yeah, you're right. Oh yeah, I can't wait till the nighttime. Nighttime is gonna be crazy. I'm gonna be able to come out here and get some nighttime footage. Like y'all people. But we made it to the room. Ah, snap. Made it to the room. They made it wait. You can't know. But yeah, check out the bed. But yeah. But right now, y'all, get ourselves situated and we're gonna be right back to y'all. Oh yeah, the luggage ain't even came yet. So yeah. I'm about to relax for a minute. Probably use the restaurant. Then we're gonna head back out.
This
Get
is
something to eat. I'm gonna vlog the food. It's a buffet, so I don't know if I'm gonna get different stuff. Don't want to make me stomach hurt.
Yeah, because he too old. He can't handle cheese and all that.